Okay, my honor students, this is the review video I said I'd make for you. Now this is for you, not for me. It's for you. So you're going to be doing all of it. So start writing the problems down. Then I'm going to move this paper over a little bit. So freeze it, write it down. Then I'll move it over to get this last problem over here. So here you go. Write it down. Do those 4 problems. Then I will do them. So turn me back on when you're ready. Okay, here we go. Absolute value variable. So there's 2 parts to it. 2. So it'll be 2x minus 4 is greater than 8. Or the opposite. Oh, yes. Now I'm going to skip that first step and just distribute the negative. So here we go. Add 4. So 2x is greater than 12. Divide by do-si-do. There. And this one, subtract 4, then divide by -2. But whenever you divide by negative, we got to switch the inequality. Oh my goodness, Justin Bieber, eat your heart out. I got a voice. That should be -2. I left the negative off. So, that was fun. Now on a test, that's like a 20-point problem because look at all those steps. Holy cheese in a bucket. So here we go. 6 minus x is less than or equal to 10. And the opposite. So I subtract the 6. So negative x is less than or equal to 4. Then takes the opposite. So x is greater than or equal to -4. Then you add 6. Hey, that's pretty neat. So it's everything between -4 and 16. -4. I keep forgetting to put the negative. Mercy. Mercy, I say. Then the last one, I don't know why I did one without the absolute value, but people did this wrong on the test. You can break this up to 20s less than or equal to 2x minus 6. And 2x minus 6 is less than or equal to 40. Or you can just say add 6, but we got to add it to all 3 parts. Then I'm going to divide everything by do-si-do. Or that would be 2 if you're not as fancy as I am. Oh, mercy. So it's everything between 13 and 23. I've got to clean this screen. I can't even see on it. Mercy, mercy, mercy. Okay, this one. Now, someone asks, could I divide everything by -4? You could. But usually it's better to do reverse order of operations. Get rid of the +8 first. Because what people do is they'll forget that you got to divide this by -4 also. So usually it's better to subtract the 8. So that'd be -16. Then divide by -4. Oops, whenever you multiply or divide, you gotta switch the inequality. I almost messed up. You'd have been embarrassed. Then I'm gonna break it over here. So we got 2x equals 4. And we thought it was an or, but once you divide, it's really an and. And -2x is less than or equal to 4. So x is less than or equal to 2. Here, x is greater than or equal to -2. So, wow, I'm getting sloppy here. Sorry about that. Kind of running out of room. So it's less than or equal to, so it'd be everything in between. But again, you would have got this wrong because you'd have thought it was an or, but it's not. Now, for a couple of my classes, I forgot to put functions on to review at the start of class, which is fine. I mean, we've done a lot with functions, but I made sure to put them here. So again, write down, freeze the frame, write down what you can see. Let me see if I rotate. Oh, mercy, that makes it lighter. Hey, now. So write down what you can see and then freeze it, write down what you can see. Then I'll move this, write down what you can see, and then do the problems, and then turn it back on. There we go. Do. Okay, so find the function called f. Where is it? Oh, there it is right there. Put in the 4, so it's 4 squared. Now, technically, I should put this in parentheses, but with positive numbers, it usually doesn't affect it. 16 plus 4 is 20. So, I put in 4, I got 20 as an answer. Now, what's it called? The numbers you put into the function? That's right, a domain. Oh, you're so clever. What's the answers called? The numbers we get out of the function? 20. Oh my goodness, you are brilliant. So find G. Here it is. So 2 times a half plus 3. So that'd be 1 plus 3 is 4. Now be careful, because sometimes people only put the stuff in when it's right below, but F isn't here. It's way over here. So it'd be negative 2 squared plus negative 2. So 4 minus 2 is 2. Good job, Murphy. Well, thank you. So here we go. 1/2 times negative 4 is negative 2. Hey, we did the first side. Congratulations. Oh, thank you, Trixie. I'll get you a battery soon. Then we got 2 more little problems. Hey, they fit on the page, too. So, find the 3 ordered pairs. Now, that's an infinite number of answers, so you'll probably get different ones than I do. And intercepts. So, do that now and then turn it back on. Hey! So, this is the plug and chug I showed you, finding 3 ordered pairs. Now, I like to just do this. These will be worth 15 points, 5 for each ordered pair. So, put 0 in there, so x drops out. Divide by negative 2, y would be negative 3. Then let's put in 0 for y. So we're actually finding intercepts. So x would be 6. Hey, we are clever. And then let's put in, oh, I don't know, 1 in for y. So you'd have minus 2 times 1 is minus 2. Add 2. So x would be 8. This is not bad, Murphy. Now, since it's solved for y, I think it'd be smarter, although you don't have to, but I think it'd be smarter to put the numbers in for x. And since this is a half, why not put even? 1/2 times 2 is 1, plus 1 is 2. 1/2 times 4 is 2, plus 1 is 3. And 6. 3 plus 1 is 4. Oh, prediction. Lions win or lose today. I predict they will at least score 1 point. That's what I see. Y is 4 means the second value has to be 4, but x can be anything. It's not part of the rule or the equation. So 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4. Now, if you watch the new material video, new information video, you know that y equals 4 is a horizontal line, and the slope is what? What is it? That's right, 0. I'm impressed with you today. Now, I'll hopefully not drop the paper again like I did last time. Find the intercepts. Well, the x-intercept. Now, if you write x-intercept this way, then it's just a single number. So put 0 in here. X-intercept is 4. The ordered pair that corresponds to that would be 4, 0. So the y-intercept, if you ask what's the y-intercept, that's just a single value. Put 0 in here, x. So take the opposite, so it's negative 4. Then the corresponding ordered pair would be 0, negative 4. This one, put 0. Now, I'm going to show you this tomorrow. Oh, this is exciting. Know what happens when you put 0 in? The y-intercept is 4. It's the number shown when it's solved for y. Ooh, we're talking about that tomorrow. Oh, aren't you excited? You kind of hope you don't even go to bed tonight, don't sleep. Just want to get to class. I know. So 0. So the x-intercept it would be, I got ahead of myself. Sorry, but so excited. X-intercept, put 0 in here, so you would subtract 4 and divide by 2. And negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. So it'd be negative 2, 0. Then the y-intercept, so if it says what's the y-intercept, just a single value. And again, what I was trying to show you, since it's solved for y, you drop out the x. The y-intercept is just that number. Easy to see. And of course, the ordered pair that goes with that is 0, 4. So that's all the new stuff that will be on the test. Slope won't be on the test. Too bad to say. Unless it's a fill-in-the-blank question, I might put one. But, hey, I didn't drop the page. Woohoo. Hey, have a great day. Hug your parents. Dance, I don't know. Dance something. Bye.